Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. So how do you add captions on CapCut PC? Now it's going to be really simple, so bear with me. First and foremost, go ahead and click import here, and I'm going to be retrieving a couple of files here. You're not going to be seeing it, it's hidden on the screenshot. Drag it here, okay, and just basically click this one right here. So once you click that, you can just go ahead and type in whatever the hell you want to type in. So that's just basically it. Once you click here, see the default text there, that's working. So that's how you add captions to a particular video. It's really simple. Or you could just basically customize as well. If you could just click one of these right here, it's basically customization process right there. And that's just it. Thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials. You guys have a nice day.